me petition to Otumfou indictment and deceitful
against the youth.
Against those people ye nim wo mo say eso mo hunu na ko mo darati Nana Leslie no wanya wrong yi no wo just say I no ti kro mo me sa de ne by indict wo mo wo just say to Otumfou with deceitful ye here obi obetime gina na Mampong ye second command there na now no we need someone obetime end the command there obetime atina ho no mo say na Otumfou ene domahina semi ye here unti say ahimfu bi negotiate a be ma niama ayi this is Mampong for see ye hwe ne ye dia ye consider we no nyina ye stand be brand si ye twen kwase ni Mampong na kuro be na kwase awoso unye dwa be kasa asem no ye ne de ense difa dia be nkwai omo sanity
okay
okwa atwasu asu otwa kwai opani ni wan ye bo kwa no betu asuo no frititi odman kuma Mampong kontonchi obu ohie kuma nana ne ye Mampong kontonchi obu ohie kuma nana ne ye amani ampo na ne on the book boji tata Mampong kontonchi fremu abonuani trewu ko to ko ye wie yo pasa kontonchi so obu ohie kuma
Abusuama me na wase efa omra GH report so na said yetu ehu asi wo se ensema hodo a trend ne etwago o my Ghana ene Asante Mampong ha no ye bema obi bia aso ate and afi adwumade a yedie no ye the credibility and the professionalism ena ye adwuma nti no sabi yenye bias ena yenye one sided media platform ye kate across nti ene mene Nana Acheampong eba bedi enkomo na Mampong ahensem de ekoso manhia akwane aba ni nyina no yetimi age enchemu kakra e de free Nana ho afen so wo hwe asem a esiye ewo asaman a we compare now contrast here it's more or less like the ekoso Mampong ya ti ye betwa awura mu na yaje enho adwenche akra e de free Nana ho ti bomoden se obe follow page no on YouTube GH report and na Facebook GH report obetimi so aseche journalist Kobe eno so nsabe kame na wa follow me on TikTok GH report Nana kwaba
ye munia
bibia boko de
ya mi adom no mpaibo
Nana yenim se ahensem ene nsem ekoso Asante Mampong no odi mu akotene pa eduru ba bi na ekuo bi a na omo kire se omo support kingmakers no na oka ho bi ma eduru ba bi ehu videos ahodo na circulate na wugina mu na wo kasa ne ade and mukopie mu wo manhia no yenim se na we ye one person na wodi mu akotene pa je na ma wonya interest e wo sansem we nyina mu
if say didi kai me da atifu ase na omo so no omodin bo omo abo omo nya abotre free mra e ba say Nana hima bi nomination say obi a we de hye bia no onfare ni mamra na di si ya akosi bi sebra nyina no ye be da enu Mampong ase so obi nya abotre no mo atwen bi sebra
Nana ye be wase now ye sha se mfam free asaman yenim se asaman so ahensem se ya na ekoso enne ekoso no o compare na uyo obi a we are very observant you see say ene Mampong sem ni nyina no eyepe now ensem ne ko ye no ye ma nananom ebai mo so de omo nchemu ebre opemso ma opemso so eche na adwene e de fa ho uhu sa na we mo anhyehyɛ wo
yominia se ofa asaman asem no na de be compare Mampong de no na ka say similar me no wonya adwene if we say na say je wo de anka compare apple the first who say ni fruit no doesn't mean say ni na de kro Asamai asamai Mampong so ye Mampong. Na wohwe asamai ahensem no ye na efie baako. Mampong so no 7 gates.
Okay.
And two team fan compare. And I share asamai asem no abusua pani na hema. Whereby say and I'm say 1 gate nintino. And na abusua pani ni free say na hima bi ya na kese o consult no somewhere along the line no sa na kese eba ya ne kire say abusua pani wotumi say won be kire ne mum onne na hima no ebe den ebe dwene ho ba bia ebetosini bia emwa adwene wo eni ba ko futim so ono no de no na hwe Mampong de no so a Mampong de no so no enam se 7 gates ntino so ti asmo Otumfou kan ye no a o se ojo dwa to awie no a na ohia obusua pani ana abusua pani for abusua pani where is 1 gate and abusua pani for where is more than 1 gate. The reason Otumfou kan asem no se uye sa no a etimi ma enkabomu ani asundwie na eba do yenim se wo na abeyiye duru ba bia adwene kire na wo de basa no a etimi ma asundwie eba yano ne ade a ewo no bia na abusua pani free se Otumfou kan no ne mo abusua pani hu se wa hu na sam kayi so that's here
asamai abusua
pani no na eso hu se do ohima no na eso yi na enu kwas otwe ne ho firi ho na ohima no nso no na eso no so hu se abusua pani ya abusua pani na ko nso no sabio ani die mu no na ko de ne bata ne ho na bia ni ma bi wo kura no no die na wo ye no enu kura mu na mo abusua pani no nso na bia na wonte ase na ko to no bo na oye ya emse kiri ko duru yi no Otumfou ni na ko ye asama problem no babia betimi aka se odi similar to Mampong de kakra in case say eba say fear nana hima free mu no em se dipa do dwo no mlu dwa to abae bia na do da no o free say kese ko no mu hia na ka dodo no a mo baaye no na bia obia yi efie bia de eba na ke bia ye toaba na bia ke yi baako. That's where the similarity will come. But at the end of the day, the situation, yet to be generalizing say, any Mampong asem no eyepe. We share Mampong asem no Mampong next to Kumasi. Mampong ye hene no the way be hene no different from the way asama be hene. Though the same process, but ye no ye consider Mampong ye hene no as you consider Asante Mampong, you consider Otumfou. If so, you Mampong here no, as so you say Mampong here no, but me represent Asante Mampong in the absence of Otumfou.
So Nana, on that note, are you saying say Nana Leslie in cancer Osei Bonsu, untimi ene Otumfou enya, na say untimi be second in command na?
Oh, where this year? Your name nyina ho kwai. Ye nyina ne fata. Nti and untimi fan compare the way other chrono aye omo yi no Mampong ye very delicate we ye hine no a yenim se ye hine a ye nana dasebra okọ ne kreachi no yenim se de no sitie otimi represent Otumfou in all levels
minim se media no so what ya ye se wo ye obi a sebe etwetwa asem kakra e wo ni so what is ansem
menti bi mum.
Okay, in the media no so per we interviews ne wo ne be a wo ye no crofo tag we say as o mpe Mampong yi
o ma dwene no maka
sesei
se de wo ka no
enti no mo nya adwene na say
me no nya adwene
na wo hwa den nam so man crofo tag we say
oh se adwene kire se hwene obi are ne de to o maka
okay
o mo kan so a nyina ne say me fa nto so amana nya ho
obi send me message say the way we ya onyema ene o transit bi no e che se Mampong hema ene Nana Leslie wotan wo mo
me pede
minim
pe bi afi mo the je so omo ye mpanimfo omo ye the right thing omo ye the right thing as simple as that se kuyi sabio sabi adon konfo kura ne wo mu na se yeni wono mo a wo ye hene a we no tuma di wo hene nti so odi oni die e ma so called even at all omo small. It's very important. What they share, more they share, see you juice no. Any power more around you. How you respect them, how you accept them. They're very important. Yeah, mamre.
Iti se wo hwa ne ye ka asamwa asemi. Iti o compare them a do since say oh strong case, one of them more strong case. O compare
me dom ne mampofo.
Me ka omo a wo ne ba na asem ne ayi fu.
Me dom e mampofo.
Okay, nice.
O ka sa wo ye survey Mampong. Asa wo ka say ekwaya ohima fa so eyi ni nua no. Ono mo ya adwuna. I can tell you so benya be 85% here. Omo ya against.
Wow.
Wo de usmaka no a hyase na ye survey we na hwade. Interview about 3,000 people. What does he? What they will tell you? Or make catch though. So many arguing. But 85%. 85% means what? Majority of people.
Eti sesi ano. Ye ka se Nana Leslie 24. Obe kan de na che no.
Catch and some more fast. Eh. First time. Aba bontia me hu. Ehun so ye de hye. Da bia auto sini no. Ko. Nesua. Amamre. Amani. Na hu enyima ani so. Abra. Ebejo. Na ya me ka say. The age no na man for misinterpret the America. Because we 51, 52 or more time. Yeah, no, ye nim say, be do age a dream. What I say, time one na komi hini, no ya komi hini a etu na kwa brejo mo a na takwa mani ampo ba na me 8 years 1967. Na komi bi dia betene nchen kofie na bagio mafam Chelsea 3 akojumaduane. I never thought say me 66. And I'm a suya and yama be brave. If we are say, and you rush you. If we are say, a process. Ultimate copre. You go through the process. And when you go through the process, what I say, we say how you are becoming matured. Now. Honestly, I feel say, on the Fair fan by minimum agony, but pick my say a surprise, you know. And Crawford be say, he said, Mampong Hennessy, who are in front of us, in Sinanai. You see, young fan of us in Sinanai, one tears ye. A beer day bushim and winning a dear. Nana himself, Cunyano. Sabio, and yet the personal kunya. And I never got here. So, can say, young fan of us in any idea. That's all Jana name, a webusianimu. A beer and a year and a ma, the Japadia, a busiasem. No one sin a night. I was Asante Mampong. We were said to be a sin a night. It's not necessarily say, Mampong.
Okay.
I say obi wo no mo a okoba bia na sofo aka kire ne say wo beko abrochire one day you know den connection bia ba na ko tue sika ne di sika
ya ka kire ni nti wo
da say bia na nya wo bia na ye wo ba bia yo nana generation upon generation we taking that way no a unye desperate doing certain things. Abraham, Yankopon shira no no. Ono blessing kwa wahuru bi o. Ana meboa. Let's take things this way. Na any pressure, any desperation in free so. It is an akai kura no a menka se na nanka. But the people have been misinterpreted what Nana said. What's na kunya so a ebi efie ni mampa kunya.
Nana Matthias mbi se among groups na omudi hinema na yeye no. Yese mampa akonya no eye efie bi mu di ankasa.
Minti binchire e be kire se ebretufu nyina dia.
Okay. Na me mbisa se abatwa na nanom koto ye chemicals no na pa edi kan no bibisa obi abatwa ni mu no
na pa na ye oye observer.
Okay you fancy oye easy
oye observer ohwe
what the hustle
sa ohwe etie ya ntoaba. You see people feel say you say impenifo no abatwa na bi edin ho we atwere opehwan da bi eye ensem a ye de be ma nominee no the way so be answer no obia dot ne down what I say into you na I say Supreme Court Emma ruling what I say na we are Canadian we are na Canadian but the bedru baby no na bi om ye 5 wa e bi a 2 say me no omunya adwene 3 say me no omunya similar to that enye physically aba yeto now the study of the outcome of the person nominee no the way obe answer enema you see amanfo be free say ensembu aye bisa enye necessarily ukoko to a ye bisa asem etim bisa nsem bi officer is irrelevant what I say but omnenim di omoye uhwe baabi ati say car on we what car call road welfare here you know my friend MOT. It means you allow yourself to examine say car no a road wave say nipatremu ana enam kwanso so as obeso Mampong hini or president what jaw am I say ye show mu enti kai ko MOT a kai bi wa hu say emu no e pe ja kwaso ase hwe ase tete ya na ase atete enti the first Saudi kana ba ne peja ya ase atete ya mian kan wasmana enti ye no na nsem wa omo bisa be bi ti say wo fie o Mampong ha people feel say irrelevant. You don't know what they mean because be a wo fie Mampong ha no they presume say uni Mampong so that's here so wo fie Mampong ha no mo nye fie necessarily but if you see who say uni Mampong hwe aye Mampong very important the way ya ube connect to Mampong for it will be a funeral and a celebration of birthdays, wedding, and all those kind of things. How have you shown yourself in all these, you know? Very important. Yani ye say unipano a pese obesumo. I'm just Mampong for very sensitive. If you don't know us here, you might feel say arrogant.
Yes, what's some way what I can say Mampong for ye dwe. And go for edit take opa.
Go for no see ye dwe. Na mpa utie ya no asem no saa ne be brand si ye dwe. Kwase ni Mampong. Na krobe na kwase awoso. Unye dwe abekasa asem no. Me de enim saa o. Amanfo na ka kire ye. Wo ja se ye ne de ensedi fadi abenkwai. Hwan no dom se kumbi abenkwai. Eye yeso ye die no. Wo ja se outside no brand ye say ye dwe. Into ko fa obi aba be di ade Mampong ana obelidi ye no a no nim the type of person we are, how sensitive we are no. But as a time bia no obe foul to the people of Mampong. Until you see a pobia and then what a classmate here no be na ko school kwan obi a ye share to din komo. But as the classmate have become like idiomatic expression. So that's it.
Sure.
Who's all the classmates for share no? What we din komo pa. Hey, the co school, and the co franca, and the cotianca, and the boy, hey, okay. Wait, it will didn't come out during the course of our infancy up to the age. It will didn't come out energy. Very important. So that's it. Anything if you crown America now say these advanced countries no, and maybe obey omu embassy be akono, ambassador be akono. You know you train about the behavior of those people. As I did work. Yes, you found it wabo. If you crown Ghana, it will say majority of the language I know AY3HU. What I say? Enti mrofu me bromba teach you. You guys what I say? Teach you. So it's very, very important to learn the behavior and the attitude and then of the people who are leading. Okay. Because I know will be and get me wrong. All those that we are a year in America, sign and crofoka. Because just the enemy, I will say, Omupo, sanity. When you say, yes, if you cry, young Kurano, yet one a unique. All questions as you quite opening wine, your boquano, but to a suono, a suono frititio, a suono frititio, mancuma, Mampo contonchi, or boy here, Manana, Mampo contonchi, or boy here, Manana, Amaniampo, Nane, on the book, watching tata, Mampo contonchi, fremo, Aboniani trewu, Koto Koya, Passa contonchi. So boy here kuma. That tells us how proud we are. Yeah, the cry why next time. What I say? It's here because of our culture and the way we are. We are proud.
And I your hand can have you.
Oh, come back, my dream.
I think I'm come imagine.
What I say? Make a joke. He didn't catch them. Acheampong. Acheampong. Frabuchi betna Ghana. Ohidi bi obe makunyama. What I say? Na boy I feel hono. Why do you think so? If I can tell you it's one of the key makers.
Sure.
The 4 key makers, one of them told me.
See.
The 4 key makers, no. One of them told me. Says so betna Ghana. Ye baku ye ma na boy I feel hono. Ufisa me violent here. As people are tagging me, as they been tagging Mampong for see edwa a. Because as much.
Very.
And Acheampong. Me dey say you can say me no me na mo me give me fans. What does here? Me give me fans. Me twem na me call. Obi me kan chef say na Acheampong ne no wasem. Ihu no wasem kwa machia wo. Say die na editi kura no a me to bia mo di. Yem ka so what you say. Let me know some no bia na no problem wa. And your own cup of tea. As you are asking, say, no, him was some, many Leslie was some. Anybody, your woman, your family, you know, your family back home. But you know, drinking to me and your pet. It's been no drinking your pa, you know, just some possum and now pemasum. You guys what I say?
Nana, omo, swa, Nana Leslie, no, who say, oh, your mistake.
Oh, me, now you missed in baby, I fire no. You got some call.
Okay.
You got some call. If it's so many amamra, no many quonuma, and I'm saying, oh, the best for our woman. Near why him for you on more or more man for Hanamono. Our dear anymore. I can tell you it's my petition to Otumfou.
Why they?
My petition to Otumfou indictment and deceitful
against the youth.
Against those people. You need to say, as one na kwa mo darati Nana Leslie no wanya wrong you know. What I say? I know ti kromo me sa de ne by indict wo mo. What I say to Otumfou with deceitful.
Serious?
Yes. Hwe yes we be mo bi kire. Ampa se mo pani a na munim mo tena hemfie. Munim na mo timi adi nanim. What I say? Na boni we aba it we new free man ye.
Okay.
Yem ka so what you say, get me new film, and then Nana Leslie Nkwa na so pay for the price you. No kwa o. No kwa. Wo di anim a omo nim de efata omo anya no a omo an ye ekọ wrongly ni nyina no. You been die to omo. You been die to omo.
Very serious.
I'm telling you. Been die to omo. Mayi say ye ni nyina ni pa be hunu. E wo a wonim no na utimi hwe ba nipa ye bone no a. What I say? And I could check no. utre say what to bobo no ne onya hi said o kan say na ni gine what I say General Leslie is going to pay for the price whatever he did wrongly no mo amudi ani mu ehwem ni hu wo you should have known better
nana mama mi say where allegedly 22 royals na omo ede omo nsanko omo yiko dwato akoye no wo bi omo a wo hwese wo na ba be so akonya ni mu a enko manana
me say out of 22 no nana je dey fraka 21 nana no tutu omo nyina no
so is it open so nka se wa firim
me say no the mpanifo akani say in case open so ka so wa firim a me free say 21 nyina no ye tutu omo nyina no ibinya ba ko afirim amana so ye
na say obi obebe bia ope
as long as say you see ye ebi see I don't have a problem.
Okay. Now, let me ask you. Cecilia, Nana Leslie, Amania ni amamre kwa so no. Can you say they see yenti no? Say ono de ya disqualify no kra na.
Mintimi nka. Nana no na say to aso na kire na yi. But for ase no, am say 3 are against his nomination. Okay? Based on that no dear, who say Omabio.
Okay. Na se kobasa na fanse ene na esenka yekopiem na amaso. Eda bia openso be frese afi de mamponfo momra no. Na yekopiem na openso anu disem no. Oka se wei na nana hema yi na ba timaso ni mu a eho no eba se meba wonchen asem be na enkomo be na nimbedi.
Nana hema
because who disem meba.
Anyhow. Nana hema for eyi your first time we year. Ya reject it.
Okay.
Enti openso nka say when na him ayi nti no because of that nti no ono an ye fa no obehwe the circumstance ya de reject you know in the circumstance no be o mamedi ade ye probi od mama mra amane do obi wa nyina na obehunu ye be kire obi but just standard one that's where now ye dia it will go a long way to go.
Okay.
But that's very important. So to first ma all can see Asante Mampong I from be break to one more I say we better what does you see emreba omo mudi no odo on betena se wa church omo if you see adwira no watwa mu no afa ni nkrofo bi bisa say na onyanya no da be na adwira no beba so oso omo ti ase a no mamra omo bisa no because na Asante hima oni ho eso eni sei eso funa konya ofa na se munni mamamre na yayi no a o meka nkire ne sei na ba ni bidi dwira no yem ka so ti ase based on that who say he's got a problem and I'm saying you know and man ne bebre puagu no so eno no kwa na ekono ntokwa
yes eno kwa na kasa bebu
sa ono kwa na ekono ntokwa enti Mampong ye ne yaji won na yayi no a ye hia obi obetimi abo Otumfo amana kono ntokwa ye hia obi obetimi agina na Mampong ye second command there na now no we need someone obetimi end the command there obetimi atena ho no mo se na Otumfo ene domahina sami ye hia onti se ahemfo bi negotiate a be ma niam ayi it's not happening. This is a Mampong for see ye hwe ne ye dia ye consider we nyina ye pe domahine ene Otumfo e bi ansem ho no da bi Otumfo na ye hwe o mention sampa asem minimu nyina na tena ha ye yo ekoba ye no de bia fa bachi uzo kesi wo mo uzo kesi ye oso mo be sare nyina no uzo kesi ye wo ye ro kesi wo mo utu se ene ya bibia no a ene ye ko Otumfo bibia no a ye ko bisa esi etu enyini udaze esi etu enyini emre bi etwam Mampong ne si ya yini ye ko Otumfo ho ne esi ewie no so akire wie a ye de na ko Otumfo ho no if we say Otumfo na president of National House of Chiefs Asante Mampong or whatever na akwakosu akire no being the president unse si serve na na takwa mani ampoko Mampong yere ko Kumase ene Kumase for say Mampong fo mpani fu mi swai ana kwa mna pra sorry was there be Mampong for the swatch say ya hini e Mampong e bia ade fufuo bi na mpesa mo ka dia isi ekoye achi ekosi abrewa ansa na so yehunu se mampofo eni mama mre eni mama ne happy obo pe kwa bia ombe fa so a obetimi adane niema ene happy ye that's bready no mo turn around chiamia kotonum se mampofo o se sitriki wo mo mampofo da bia mo sori a no mo tumu hene ene de ene mo so ankyere mo hene o kumase o mo triki ye mafu ye nyo bia o gina o ka se nana e bia ye hene de ye so akyere no ye so akyere hene mienu ye so akyere na hanomo a ye sa ko so akyere kumase o to triki ye mi ko sai insuo mu ewiemu fe beba o should have happy kumase this is here say nana bia nana no ye beduru ye no ye betwa so nyima mpofo mpanifo de sem koso kumase mo pani amode ko ene ko so achi otumfo ye no kura no should be ye nana no ya beduru no ene twa so sa Mampong ye na a continue afi amaya ya akwala uti ase ase yentimi ye ho bibia ase kumase otumfo be pese ye be matured uti ase ne ya yetimi di ye fi asemo a edin no ne de ba na asem bia ne atam se de ko otumfo no
nana sesei processing dem fancy say ye kwaji muaye na ye de abafie asa beto aso now say in case ekoba say yes anko hwede chefofro emra oba pese dwumadie ne sa bekoso e wona na hema fie anase afie de bekoso wa hemfie
na say we already o hema fie ne sie ne yatwam nti de sie ne so process um ye na hemfie
okay yes
o hema de na e baaye no otumfo am yatwam so nti de ebay no o ye no koye na hemfie that's where the process took place
okay
what I say nti eba na ye yi a me de mesre chemicals mitim saje mo wo mo me pese wo mo a e mo obia kwai o mo dom dwa to akoy nyem mo kwai ne toto wo mo ano na out of the 21 no bitimi ba kwa free e mo obi opportunity into two or one like say the way we are interview people was be interested you know be ma obia no ehunu say he's part of the process enko preko pick obi me anano mo da uruma mo na mo ye mo adwumo me nkyerem de mo ye no madwene ne say eba na ye saade a yentoto obia no say de mo ye no ene ne ma mo hia ye hwɛ ye yi baako mfirimu em se ba no a ebetumi di asomwie ene nkabomu eni nuado aba Mampong mem
nana unim bo ahia na ntuofo
o minimum
pa
minim se bo ahia na ntu nana bo ahia na ntu on the call denchira ugina ne papa na emu a ne papa bekwa o made obegina mu okọ ekodi nkunim baaye no so that's the history I know about them.
Memfa unko bebre okay ka be bisa sem binti a memfa unko bebre yanko anim now what's your petition opemiso e dey afa o mom koso a
yo mom so aye say ye hwem yanko fo bi wo no suma hemfie
no mudim
okay the dinika ikra however say they should have know
better
na komo amaye wo faase no anye wrongdoing
sesi a ho obi eka se sebe enema bi anko yenti o ye pani na Acheampong difi otoso mienu 24 emo ya sembe na beka kire no
nyina na maka no
de hia
yem kan nyina
mente
nyina ya futuo
de hia
semo etena se ye kan nyina no ya futuo udase se omana koma enkofom ontie ni panimfo na panimfo no omo na nyima unim omutimi a kire wo e basa no a na kuruma no so nkoso so akonanim na me am tia sei nso no se nkwa ye da isbetma sebiano Mampong bi betma sebiano na koba na se amamre so betiti amamre so a emma nkabum ene kroye enkoso tisfo me kan nyina out of nyina no so obi abefa futu de ewo mu no ebenye bi ewo mu kakra wo mu a on befa betimi aboa so aboa ti
enti obi bisa se de de sha ase no asaman ene Mampong nsem no eye pe ana se nye pe kasi supi ma na menko
entimi nye pe entimi nye pe na nye pe nso
chirim kakra bi ma me
Mampong asaman ye asaman Mampong second to Asante Mampong asaman so yesanete Mampong eti Silverstew so o ja se asaman dabi nti ye behavior no and the way say ye niema no though the process might be the same but standard no ye dey any high than asaman so you can't compare yourself to asaman.
Okay ye ko question medical bisa o omo say incite violence no ka bi cho mo direct
mo adwene na mo aka mo akire mo adwene but at the end of the day no na Acheampong obi oni say me that type of say them all can na you say do sua wasa no osua ma echia de pa na do sua kasa no so no osua bɔ ne hwene nti bia na de me ye no bia free say mini omo afa enam senti omo kasa nye per se semi violent but as we use word say omo ne menya adwene yen mum ya appropriate na ka say me violent ya Mampong whom say though you see me everywhere maybe calm down situation where there is tension no I can tell you say my presence no a calm down situation go and check time up a cooperative almost free GPRHU asem to hono for about 10 years go and ask why never solve that problem no Asante Mampong and nyina at the same yard that time na cooperative for no more video city kwa no on the left uvre mu ano na Acheampong o kano me kubisa e be ka chiro one day na me say adwuma no me mon ball no see 1-1 sata na fe computer be bi ma we back me when it comes to conflict resolution what the way some me I'm expert me sua ho ade but I do much do ade am no because I accept everybody as my own. It's all canwa. When me nya adwene a me no be ya adwene say when me nya adwene say me the tension or violent there. If I chow kwachiri usua me say them sit here I come back now appreciate the me ya no. Ya me show madofo matamfo nyina. I don't have a problem. Yes Christo ba ye no. Konkonsen odi ebe yo. Once konkonsen yare because it's very important. It's more mo be kama some me violent ame ye you know. Be kan baby no bia ka je na Acheampong de. It doesn't mean so all can obi age atum. But like I say when you 2 out of 10 o me kasa asem na kire me because they don't know me. When you are with me na some no move a na we na Acheampong de oye. Me but me Asante Mampong na be dim komo nyina na dwo. Minim fia mitim remu. Sa na kire me. Mampong idi enkomo anadwo. Ba bia ade no mi nkodi kwa anadwo. Akodi mi nkomo. Sa na mtie. Ya mi hira mu nyina Mampofo. Kontochi obu ohie kuma. Thank you. God bless you.
Eusia, yeah, see, but more than na a follow page on YouTube GH Report, Facebook GH Report, then TikTok GH Report. Who say remo Facebook wa ubit me as a journalist Kobe. Na no so wa follow me. Oh no, maka say ha, yemfa bias. Na eye adwuma name professionalism. Ene nia ebema wo hu say ye credible media platform no eno nko a ene hwe ede broti edi no eda so eye Kobe mene na Acheampong ene hye nana yeda si
Gracias.
Yes abishia
Na mishra.